Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all, we have to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the 3-button navigation, simply tap on the button with the 3 bars icon. And if you've got the gesture, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And here we've got the recents. Of course, you can close them manually, just swipe them up, but if you've got a lot of apps opened and you want to simply close all, just tap on this option, close all, obviously. We can open the recents to check, and here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.